If you're wondering how to collaborate with teams in Descript, you've come to the right place. Descript makes team collaboration easy, even if you're new to the software. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to get started, including some pro tips along the way. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can use Descript completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, you'll get exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. Stay tuned till the end of the video, because I'll share a powerful secret that will save you time when using Descript with your team. Now, Descript is designed to streamline workflows for teams, making it easy to edit videos and audios, collaborate on scripts, and much more. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to know about collaborating with teams in Descript is the Team Project feature. When you create a team project, you're able to invite multiple collaborators who can access and contribute to the same project. You can invite your team members by simply entering their email addresses, and they'll receive an invite to join. Once they're in, they can edit, comment, and even leave feedback directly in the project without the need for back and forth emails. Next up, let's talk about track changes and version control. In Descript, when multiple team members are working on the same file, you won't have to worry about confusion. Every edit is tracked, and the software automatically creates different versions of the project. This means you can go back and review changes at any time, making it easy to see who did what and when. It's perfect for teams who need to maintain clarity while working on complex projects together. Another great feature for teams is live collaboration. This allows team members to work on the same script simultaneously. If you've ever tried to edit a video or audio file with multiple people and face delays, you'll love this feature. Everyone can be working in real time, typing, editing, and making changes that everyone can see instantly. It's especially helpful when you're working on tight deadlines. You can also assign roles within Descript to control who has access to what. You can assign specific permissions to your team members, whether you want them to only view the project or give them full access to make edits. This is great for teams with different levels of responsibility, or for when you're working with freelancers or contractors who don't need full access to every part of the project. Another feature that makes Descript a standout for team collaboration is the ability to leave comments directly on the project. You can highlight any part of the video or transcript and leave a note for other collaborators to see. This eliminates confusion and keeps everything in one place. Now, here's a bonus tip. Descript allows you to easily share projects and collaborate on exports. If you're working on a video project, your team members can add their input, and then you can quickly export the final product. Whether you're sharing a draft or getting feedback, this is a feature that really helps improve your workflow and reduces the number of revisions. To wrap up, Descript has everything you need to collaborate effectively with your team, from inviting members to track changes, live collaboration, and assigning roles. This software is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their workflow. Remember, you can start using Descript today for free, with an exclusive extended trial, by clicking the first link below. Thanks for watching, and if you're looking for more Descript tips or software reviews, check out our other videos.